Look at my shoes. But it's not.
The crawling.
Ah. Okay, 2 bikes out, one more to go. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Drive Eat Repeat. It's a beautiful morning out here, and we are planning to get to Anantagiri Hills. Join us on this beautiful drive. We had two Honda Stunners and one Honda Shine. You don't need a fancy bike to be a biker. I mean, these bikes have taken us places. So, the plan is to get to Anantagiri Hills, enjoy the view. I don't know if we'll get to see the sunrise, but if we get to see the sunrise, we'll be super lucky. But it's not just about the destination, the journey, the drive to Anantagiri Hills. It's beautiful. I mean, let me just shut up. Let's enjoy the drive. Halfway into our drive, we found these eucalyptus trees, eucalyptus reserve, or eucalyptus grove, call it as you may. I mean, this is just awesome. This is amazing. We also found a little puddle. Time for a slow mo. We spent good amount of time in the eucalyptus reserves. We are now heading to the hills, Anantagiri Hills. So there's one more stop that we'll be taking before reaching Anantagiri Hills. My brother tells me that there is a beautiful pond, kind of a lake. I don't know, some sort of water body. They say it's beautiful and it's worth stopping over there. So we're gonna take a little break over there. Well, the location is beautiful for sure, but the cost of adventuring till here can be seen here. Our tires are jammed.
Oh no!
Our chain was jammed. We just cleared it. Now our tires are jammed. You can see the other two riders cleaning the jammed mud over there. And we are pretty tired actually, you know. There's no road over here. We adventured all over here, driving through mud, literally jammy mud, wet mud. But it's worth it, it's beautiful. Look at that water body over there. This is what we found to clean the jammed mud. This part is clean, chain part.
Bye. This is working.
This is one tool that helped in the beginning. This is another tool, the bungee cord. I don't know whatever cord my brother is calling it. It did work though, and we are using it now to clear our shoes as well.
Yeah, there you go. There. Yeah. We'll take a chocolate one. Oh, that's a big
Finally.
cake. Oh, that's a big piece of cake. Yummy.
It's still not done. But it's working, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come
Soft.
on, your turn.
Right.
Okay. Ah, hear that sound?
Yeah. The growling.
Ah. Okay, 2 bikes out, 1 more to go. Show you the damage area, guys. So you see this? This is my co-rider, my genius brother, who did this awesomely genius thing. He should have realized and he should have stopped here, but he went all the way from there till here, till here, till here. Look at the amount he dragged his Honda Shine into. Look at this. Look at this. And this is where he decided he'll take a U-turn, take it back. He realized that he cannot go any further, but the shockingly surprising truth is he cannot even go back. And now cleaning the stuff. So obviously we'll not be going to Anantagiri Hills now. We are super tired and the bikes are still jammed. We need to get them cleaned. We cleared the mud to a point where the wheels could move, and on the way back we found this water washing place. It took good amount of time for the mud to be cleared even with such high pressure wash, as the mud got dried up and we could even smell our tires burning as we kept driving looking for a water wash place. The black thing on this mud is actually the tire residue. That's the level of damage. While the bikes were getting cleaned, we managed to clean ourselves too. And finally, we're all clean. So that's it for the day, guys. Hope you learned something from this. Not get stuck like us doing something stupid. Do check out our other videos. Share your off-roading experience in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to share and subscribe. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.